Check out this 2013 Acura Elx. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include AM Fathom per Candela MP3/WME stereo system, auto on-off halogen headlights, electronic brake distribution, front side airbags, headlight wipers, side curtain airbags, dual zone automatic climate control, cruise control, and speed sensing intermittent windshield wipers. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.